I'm scared ngiyasaba sanibonani. You know, as black people siphila under a system engazwani nokuthi siphumelele thina. You know, as black people ukuthi siyacindezeleka, and if kwenzeka one black person is born ekwazi ukuyibona isystem, if kwenzeka one black person is born enothando lokuthuthukisa umuntu omnyama, bahlezi bizomgudluza early before ebe threats. They did the same thing to Malcolm X. They did the same thing to Fred Hampton. They did the same thing to Sankara wase Burkina Faso. They did the same thing to Steve Biko no Chris Hani abase South Africa. Whenever you become a threat to isitha, bayakudluza because they don't like umuntu omnyama who uses lento. They don't like umuntu omnyama ofundisa abanye abantu abamnyama ukuthi kumele baqala amabhizinisi, kumele babuild i-wealth for imndeni yabo. It's called generational wealth, and isitha doesn't want you to know about that. Abafuni ufunde nge-stock market, abafuni wazi nge-real estate. Ma uyocela iloni ema-banks bayancisha because ama-banks aranwe yibona. Kahle as black people bafuna siphile as ama-peasants, bafuna siphile ngokucela kubona. And mina angikwazi mina iyangidla lento ngaphakathi. I know ngisamncane but already ngiyayibona isystem and angikwazi ukuyimela lento lena mina. Nginale inhliziyo, nginale ngqondo ethi kumele ngithuthukise umuntu omnyama, and I will do that for the rest of my life. Yazi, just a couple of days ago, one of ababukeli bangiblesse with imali engango-200, and I'm very grateful for that. Leyo mali angiyisebenzisanga ukujabulisa mina, leyo mali angiyisebenzisanga ukufeza izinto zami. I knew ukuthi emphakathini we didn't have amanzi for 3 weeks. Ngithathile lo mali ngafonela udriver itank yamanzi, ngamtshela sicela silethele amanzi. Angihambanga ngayohlanganisa umphakathi ngabatshela ukuthi truck yamanzi ngoba ngifuna i-attention. No, ngihlale ekhaya egcikeni ngalinda because ngiyazi udriver uzofika shaya ihood baqhamuka abantu bomphakathi. Nangempela baqhamuka bakha amanzi. Everyone got a share yamanzi, everyone waba right. Angihambanga lapha ngawutshena abantu ukuthi hayi lamanzi akhokhelwe yimina, ngipraiseni. I didn't want that because once waqala